VTOMAN Power Station. Power anywhere, anytime. Life doesn't stop when the power does. That's where VTOMAN Power Stations come in. Power your home in emergencies. With massive capacity, ultra-fast charging and multiple outlets, VTOMAN keeps your devices running anywhere, anytime. Take it camping for off-grid adventures, or work remotely without worrying about battery life. From smartphones to refrigerators, VTOMAN delivers clean, silent power without fumes. VTOMAN Power Stations make no noise. They're whisper quiet and eco-friendly. All VTOMAN Power Stations are solar ready. No petrol, no noise, no hassle, just reliable power that fits your life. Get yours today and never be without power again. See the link below. VTOMAN, power made portable.